If you want to dominate SEO in 2025, you need topical authority, not random articles. In this video, we'll use AI to create a complete content cluster strategy that builds ranking power around one core topic. We start by selecting a pillar keyword using hrefs and define 10 supporting subtopics. GPT helps us outline and write each post, ensuring semantic connections and internal linking. We automate blog writing using structured prompts and systematize publishing in Notion. Then we design a linking map that ties together all posts with clean anchor text. Finally, we add schema markup and metadata using GPT-generated code. By the end, we publish 10 interlinked articles that Google recognizes as authoritative, all planned and written by AI.